Hello students, I am Davinder Kaur. Welcome back to my channel Study Time with Davinder. Today we are going to start the poem Mother at 66 from the book Flamingo of NCERT textbook. This poem is written by Kamala Das and she is one of the most popular and celebrated and controversial as well. Kamala Das was born in Malabar, Kerala. She is recognized as one of the India's foremost poets. Her works are known for their originality. Her personality is versatile. Versatile means she is able to do many different kinds of things. And the indigenous flavor of the soil means living or growing in the place where they are from originally. Means जहाँ से वो originally उनका birth था वो बहुत जुड़ी हुई थी वहाँ से. Kamala Das has published many novels and short stories in English and Malayalam under the name of Madhvi Kutti, or you can say her pen name was Madhvi Kutti. Some of her works in English include the novel Alphabet of Lust, a collection of short stories Padmavati, The Harriet, and other stories in addition to 5 books of poetry. She is a sensitive writer who captures the complex subtleties of human relationships in lyrical idioms. She wrote on women's issues and childcare politics. My Mother at 66 is an example. This poem, My Mother at 66, is one of the finest examples of the human bonding, especially that of a mother and daughter. It describes the pain and the fear of the poet of losing her mother due to harsh reality of life, which is death. So poetess is expressing her sad feeling that one day she will lose her mother. So she is expressing her sad feelings. Let's begin the poem. Driving from my parents' home to coaching last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Means poetess expresses that once when she visited her parents' house, it was a last Friday morning. She was coming back to the airport. Which airport? Cochin. Her mother was sitting beside her in car. The poetess was looking at her mother. Doors open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse and realized with pain. Means the poetess saw that her mother was sleeping and her mouth was open. She explains that the color of her mother's face was like that of ash or pale. Her face was appearing smoky and she was looking like a dead body. Okay. Next line. That she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their home. The poetess realized that her mother had grown old, means उसकी जो mother है वो बूढ़ी हो गई है. She felt pain of her, means उसे बहुत इस बात का दुख है. But soon she tried get rid of this sad thought by diverting her thoughts towards the trees outside. Means अपने जो mind को उसने divert करने की कोशिश की बाहर की तरफ जो trees थे. And she looked at young trees. It seemed to be running very fast as they could. She also saw that the children were happy and they were coming out from their houses in the playground. All the things were full of life and energy except her mother, who was sitting beside the poetess. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her when pale as a late winter's moon and felt that old. And further poetess says that when she reached the Cochin airport, security checking was done. She stood a few yards away from her mother. She noticed her mother's aging face, which looked so dull, weak, and pale. Familiar act, my childhood's fear, but all I said was, "See you soon, Mama. See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. Poetess knows that she will lose her mother one day. और ये जानती है, ये जो फैक्ट है वो अच्छे से जानती है कि एक दिन उसकी मदर उसे छोड़ के चली जाएगी. एंड शी सेज दैट कि वन डे आई विल सी यू सून मम्मा. तो वो स्माइल करते हुए वो बोलती है कि मैं वन डे आपको ज़रूर मिलूँगी, आई होप कि मैं आपसे ज़रूर मिलूँगी. सो इस तरह की होप जो रखती है. तो मदर एंड डॉटर का जो रिलेशनशिप है, कमला दास ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट्स द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ मदर एंड डॉटर in this poem. This poem contains a daughter's feeling of her aging mother standing on the verge of death. The pale face of her mother pains her deep. She feels stranded in this journey of life. Whenever thought of her mother's death crosses her mind. At the moment of departure, when she looked at her mother, she was speechless to think that she was going to die one day. She could not say anything instead of smiling by hiding her tears. All I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. This poem is a free verse. Free verse means this poem does not have any rhyme or have a regular rhythm. Okay? सो इसमें ना कोई रायम है जो कि किसी से मैचिंग कर रहा हो वर्ड, सो ना किसी तरह का रिदम है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्री वर्स. लेट्स बिगिन द लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस ऑफ द पोएम. यू कैन सी नाउ दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द पोएम. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन कीप लर्निंग. थैंक यू.